Hi everyone, my name is Kevin and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this tiger print buzz cut hair dye right here. So if you'd like to see that, then keep watching. Today we're going to be using some products from Sally Beauty from the brand Strawberry Leopard and Ion Color Brilliance. And the first step is we're going to bleach our hair. I only bleached it one time. Once we have our hair light in, I'm going in with the Strawberry Leopard Sundown Semi-Permanent Hair Dye, and I'm just going to be applying that all over, leaving it in for 30 minutes and then rinsing it out. Once we've rinsed out our hair, I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner pencil just to outline where I want to place my tiger stripes with the dye. And using the Ion Color Brilliance Semi-Permanent Hair Dye in Blackest Black, I am just going to go over where I place the eyeliner with a smaller makeup brush. Once I had my stripes placed, I left this in for about another 30 minutes and rinsed it out, and this was my final result.
Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional.